Hello guys, welcome today in the daily newspaper of yesterday's newspaper, yes, Saturday, February the 19th, 2022. I've told you yesterday we have no extra puzzles. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the edition of Friday. Yes, Friday, February the 11th, 2022. We have here two puzzles left. A minute ago, I have solved this letter Sudoku, and now it's time for the Two Stars Sudoku. Yes, we have a Two Star Sudoku left and a tectonic with 1 star. First, the Two Stars Sudoku number. This will be number 4154. Before I start, I always count up 3 digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. And for Two Stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. So let's get started. All right, let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 7 in this row, the 7 in the second row, so in the third row, and only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Okay, and now I cannot continue with the 7. How about the number 9 in this row? 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in this column, so no 1 in that box, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, sorry, in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of the missing numbers are the 9 and the 5. We have a 9 and a 5 in the last column, so no 9 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and a 5, 9 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes. And there, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this column for number 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So the last column, yes, 48. Okay. Alright, 8 in this row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see there, 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see there, 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8, 8, yes. Cannot continue with 8. Need to wait. How about the number 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing number or two of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We have a 1 and a 6 in this big square. So no 1 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6 in this column. 1 and 6. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box cannot be 6 anymore. That box should be 6, and this box should be a 2. Okay. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3. Okay. Here we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, and look. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in this box. So the 3 go here, go there. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in this box. So 9 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Okay, so we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 3. Okay, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in the second column. So no 3 in these 2 boxes, so the 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, and 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Okay. So we have a 2 in this column. A 2 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between this middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. Okay, 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, yes. 3 is missing. So with 3 in this row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Okay. Oh, wait. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, and 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 it goes there. Wait. Then. How about? Let me see. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see that 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. Oh, wait. 2 numbers left in the last row. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Okay, 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing, 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 it goes there. Alright. Okay. Then 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes in there. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers are 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow, wow, wow. Very surprised with the time. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later with the last puzzle, it will be a tectonic with 1 star. Before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. I've analyzed those for more than 4 weeks. And maybe you can see a pattern, maybe I can see a pattern, I do not know. Well, we have here 798, 798, 167, 167, and 273, 273. We have a triple pair, yes, the 7. Alright, thank you, and I will see you later with the last puzzle, tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.